When you start Excel 2010, you'll notice changes right away, especially if you're switching from Excel 2003 or earlier. Instead of menus and toolbars at the top of the window, there's one supersized toolbar, and that's the ribbon. If you're anything like me, you may wonder where to find the commands and toolbar buttons you use every day. At least, that's how I felt the first time I saw the ribbon in Excel 2007. Those commands are still there. For example, when you look on the Home tab, you find Copy and Paste, Bold and Italic, commands for inserting columns and rows, and commands for sorting and filtering data. To use the ribbon, you click a tab to find the commands you need instead of looking through menus and 30 or so different toolbars. This course is designed to help you switch to Excel 2010 from a previous version. We'll show you how to use the ribbon by showing you how to do a lot of the tasks that you perform every day. So click Next to see what's on the File tab.